Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video we are going to focus on a very important problem that is frequently asked in MNCs like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Cognizant, Capgemini, and there are many. So the problem that we are going to solve today is basically finding largest word in a given sentence. So we are going to solve it in two ways. First, we are going to see it in using traditional for loop, and then we are going to solve the same problem using the streams, Java streams. Okay, so let's get started without any further delay. So let me just let me show you what exactly we have done so far. We have created a class here. This is a simple class, and we have public static void main. So let's quickly go ahead and create one sentence. I will write the code first, and then I will explain each and everything that will be writing here. So let's write anything, something related to my channel. Hello just engineers thing. So this is our sentence. Now we have to find the largest word from this given sentence. Okay, so let me go ahead and quickly create a private method. So it will be a private static, and we'll be returning a string from here, and let's name it as find largest word. Okay, it will take one string type, and let's name it as sentence. Okay, so and this particular method we will be calling from here. So I am creating a system out println, and inside this we'll be calling this same method, and we'll pass the sentence. I will explain each and everything once again in detail once we'll complete writing the code. So we have the method. Now let's just go ahead and start doing the functionality. So I'll name the variable as word, and we'll take the sentence, and then we'll split. We'll show you, like, we'll explain everything, like how the things are working each line by line. Then let's go ahead and create one variable where we'll be getting the final result, largest word, and for the time being let's keep it as blank, empty string. And then we are going to use an for loop which will start from 0, and then it will go till word dot length, and then I plus plus. Then post that we'll have one if condition where we'll be checking the length of this with largest word dot length, and then if the condition is true we are going to assign the same to the particular word. All right, I think we are almost done. Let me just go ahead and return the same. Okay, now let me explain what we have done here. Okay, so from here, first of all, we have created one sentence. All right, and we have created this implementation method to find the largest word, and this particular method we are calling from here, and whatever this method will return, it will be printed here. Okay, so in this method we have got the sentence. Now sentence is of type string, so string has one method split. So based on the separator space, it will split this string in, and it will create an array. So here the array length will be 4 because we have 3 separators, and it will create 4 length of 4 array. Okay, now for to store the final result, we have created one largest word variable of type string. Okay, then inside the for loop, as array length is 4, we are starting with 0 till 3. Word dot length will give 4, so we have done I less than, so it will go 0 1 2 3. So what we are doing here is, in this condition, see, word of I. So word of I, that means word of 0, first hello is will be coming here. So hello dot length, it will give 5. If 5 is greater than largest word, currently it is blank, so the length will be 0. obviously it is greater, hello is greater than largest word dot length. So in largest word we will have hello stored. All right, now after this it will go ahead and check for just. If just is greater than largest word, in largest word we have hello, so obviously this condition is false. Then it will check for engineers is greater than hello or not, so it is true, then engineers will be assigned. Like that it will happen, and at the end engineers will be returned. So let me go ahead and save it and return it. So we have got the engineers here. Looks fine. All right, let me go ahead and quickly solve it using the streams now. So I'm going to create one different class here. The same structure we are going to follow, just the method name will be different. Here I'm going to write using stream. Okay, if you are not familiar with the stream, that is also fine, but if you want to have some knowledge also, there are many videos that is available on my channel regarding streams that you can follow. But if you are not at all familiar, that is also fine, I will explain each and everything in detail. So we have created this method, so instead of this we are going to call this method now. If you want you can go ahead and delete this also, but anyways this method will not be called, so this will not be executed, this particular section, so we don't have to worry about that. So in this thing, let me again go ahead and write the logic first, and then we are going to see how the things are working here. So let me just go ahead and first import this array.util. Now we are going to use a stream. Now in stream again we have sentence dot split, and again we are going to split it using this, and then we are going to use max method, which takes an comparator, and comparator has different methods, but currently we are going to use comparing int. I'll explain why we are using all these things. Now here we are going to use length method, and this double quotes twice is nothing but the method reference. I will again explain that thing also. At the end, whatever the value that we are going, we are getting it, and it will return type string, so we will store it in largest word, and the same thing we will return it from here. Looks fine. Let me just go ahead and explain what we have done. All right, so see, arrays dot stream converts an array into an stream. So this sentence dot split, what it will do, again the same thing, it will create an array. The same thing, if you see sentence dot splits return an array, so it will return an array, and that same array will be converted to a stream using arrays dot stream. We are good here. Now this max method is already available in streams, which takes a comparator. So if you hover over the max method, see, it returns the maximum element of this stream according to the provided comparator. Now comparator is generally used to compare the values. So in comparator, what we have passed here is we have used method length. This is nothing but the method reference. So this length method is of string, like in string we have this length method. So this length method will compare like every word, whatever this split method will return, this sentence dot split will return an array of stream, and then the all the values will be passed here in this max method, and based on the length it will check, and at the end it will return the whatever the word has the maximum length, it will return this value, and at the end we are collecting the value using the get. So what get says, if a value is present, return the value, otherwise throws no such element exception. Okay, so this will return the value, and the same thing we are returning here, and then it will go here because we are calling from here, so it will go to the caller, and here it will be printed. Let me go ahead and save it and run it. Let me just change the, we have got the result, let me just change it something, hello, just some different name, hello engineer saying welcome here. So welcome here is a one word, so let's go ahead and run it. So now welcome here should be printed. Okay, so this is how you should go ahead and approach this. So hope you are able to see and understand these things clearly. If you have any doubts or questions, you can send your queries in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more such kind of videos. So thank you so much and have a great day.